Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about Microsoft Excel new features or functions. All functions are related to extraction. First we will see based on column number we can extract data without copy paste or filter. The main advantage is when there are huge number of columns are there, we can choose only particular column and get data. Choose column. We have to give range source data. Select source data range from where we have to get the data. Then we have to give column numbers. Whatever requirements are there, based on that simply put column numbers. Mean column number 2, column number 3, and we want only total, simply put 8. Okay, it is tightly integrated. If there is changes in source, automatically it will give result with changes. Again, we want to make some changes, column numbers, simply edit it and give it. We want add some column number 7. It is added. It is tightly integrated. The same way we can able to get extraction based on rows numbers. If the rows are very high, it is best option is go for row. For that, simply choose rows. Same procedure. Source we have to mention. We have to give range. If the requirement is row number 1, we put 1, and row number 2 we want only commerce department, then put row numbers. Row number 5, 8, 9, 12. So only commerce department rows we and able to extract it. Based on requirement, we just give numbers, then it will extract. Whereas drop function, it will give entire statement or data. If we specify the drop row and column, without that it will give data. Drop source in case header should be required, we don't want drop any rows, simply give blank. Then if the column number 1 is not required, serial number, simply put 1. Without serial number, it will give data. Okay. In case we don't want total number, simply put minus, negative. Then last column will be ignored. If I put positive plus, it will eliminate first 4. Like that it works. Take. Here we have to give whatever column we want, whatever rows we want, combinedly we have to give. Take source data, In case want only 2 rows and only 5 columns, simply put it, enter. So only 2 rows and only 5 columns. We can able to make some changes also. 12 rows, 5 columns, and we can expand it also. In case second is there, full range will come. In case we want only last rows, last one row, simply put -1. It will give last row. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.